Happening today in an effort to keep residents informed during emergencies, St. John the Baptist Parish is campaigning for neighbors to sign up for emergency alerts.
Yeah, WDSU reporter Blake Hansen joins us live this morning with more on how you can sign up for it. Good morning to you, Blake.
Hey, good morning. This is a team effort by St. John the Baptist Parish and Entergy. The hope is that Entergy is able to get information out to residents quicker, not only during your run-of-the-mill power outages, but during a big events like Hurricane Isaac. Isaac, of course, wiped out power for hundreds of thousands across the area. St. John Parish was one of the worst hit areas by flooding, especially in parts of LaPlace. That led to a lengthy cleanup process for some, and some were cleaning up for days after the storm without knowing when power would come back on. This campaign starting today will try to change that. It'll run through November 16th. St. John Parish and Entergy will register folks at locations throughout the parish, beginning with Methuen Supermarket today from 4 to 7 p.m. St. John Parish says it'll really only take a minute to register, but that could save a lot of frustration for some people, regardless of where you live and whether you have Entergy Louisiana or Entergy New Orleans. You can sign up for alerts on power outages. We posted that information on our website at WDSU.com. Sola?
All right, thanks for that, Blake. And in Jefferson Parish, you can always sign up for the city's text alerts. Local leaders say the parish's text message alert system is a helpful tool during an emergency. This is the website where you can go to register, and you can find that link on our website at WDSU.com.